So now I'm going to show you how to do a target weld or a selected weld for vertices. This is when you're in the vertex sub-object level. You can select two by holding down Control. And if this is a small number, like 0.1, you're going to see that it's not going to be able to do it. No vertices within the weld threshold. You can make this 12. That's a nice high number. Click it, and there you go. It has welded those vertices together. I'm going to undo that, Control Z. Now target weld, you have to have target selected. And you can kind of just drag it. I'm clicking and dragging it. And there you go. Sometimes this is a little bit difficult because it might drag it to somewhere else. Like if I kind of am a little bit lazy, it might have welded it or done something weird. You don't always know. Sometimes you think it's welding it to the correct vertex, but it's really not. It does help to have ignore back facing on. I just F3'd toggled over here to make sure that I can see front and back. Well, every once in a while I've had it happen where it welds it to the back facing vertices, especially when you have a very complex, multifaceted object with lots and lots of vertices. This is a pretty simple object, and I do tend to work in low poly, so I don't run into it all the time. But it's just something to be aware of. It's why it's good to kind of rotate around a lot. Make sure that your vertices are not welded to something they shouldn't be. So that is target weld. It is a toggle. You can turn it on and off.